For those of you that are joining us for the first time, I'm Madeleine with Madeleine Design Group, and this is a short series that takes you through one of our projects in progress, my very own home renovation. As construction progresses on site, we're going to switch gears here and start talking about some of the finishing aspects that you can expect when working with a designer, specifically furniture and decor. First stop today is CF Interiors, where I'm speaking with one of the owners, Allison, about the importance of working with a designer and how we finalize a space with furnishings.
So we still work with a lot of customers, but we try to convince most customers to hire an interior designer when it comes to furniture. Making furniture purchasing is one of the hardest consumer decisions you'll make in your life. So if you're a smart client, you have hired somebody like Madeleine to help you make these decisions, because there are so many price points and so many styles and so many vendors. It's sort of never ending.
It's a huge important part, and I find what I've experienced anyways in the past with clients doing their own furniture is they'll buy a couple of key pieces, but without all the accessories, rugs, and the side tables and lamps that bring together the whole look, those key pieces don't really shine. So it's so nice to be able to do a turnkey service for somebody and they walk into a fully finished space. I don't even like bringing specific pieces in like you said, you do it all in one installation, and that's how we present our furniture packages, because if you see just a sofa and a chair sitting in a room, it's unfinished, it doesn't complete the look. So we make sure that we are completing the whole space with that installation so that they can really go, wow, I understand and I see the whole look now.
Yeah, and it's so important, I think, even for, a marriage and a life, of having your home look finished and feel finished and beautiful, and you're proud. And I think that is so, so important.
Although I could spend hours browsing the showroom, we are specifically looking for dining chairs and counter stools and potentially a new rug today. And of course, they can't carry everything that they offer on their showroom floor, so we're going to take a look online. I'm looking for something with like cane back and more of that natural wood finish as opposed to the blacks or the darker woods. I really want it to have that modern beach house look.
Yeah, and there's a couple of really great options that are worth considering for sure. So Antonia is really great as well.
Oh yeah, that one's nice. I had my eye on one more called the Sage.
Sage, that is a gorgeous chair with the leather seat.
Yeah.
And then the caning.
Easy cleaning. Easy cleaning.
There it is.
Sticky fingers.
Exactly, exactly.
Oh yeah, that's gorgeous.
With our chairs selected, my next stop is a local furniture manufacturer, Mortise. I've had my heart set on one of their gorgeous dining tables because of the solid wood design and their use of natural finishes. My design team will be joining me on a tour of their beautiful new showroom space.
We want to be able to service our products and work very closely with interior designers and the
So
people.
you're saying when my 2-year-old bangs at my tabletop, you'll come and refinish it for me?
Anytime, yeah.
Great.
It's a nice thing about solid wood. You can sand it 1,000 times in its lifetime.
Yeah, which is a big part of my decision.
Our finishes are plant-based and natural. We don't wear respirators. Our shop doesn't smell like chemicals. Like the oil that we use, it actually takes 2 weeks to fully cure, but it's made up of completely organic matter, and like you can drink it.
When you're bringing the product into your house too, like people don't understand the off-gassing aspect of something, like your flooring, like everything. Like people don't grasp it until they really understand the process or walk into a wood shop and go, holy crap, what's that smell?
The woodworkers of time past would be envious of these finishes that we have, something that allows it to look natural and almost unfinished, but like really perform at a commercial level.
But will the oil on the natural walnut do the same thing and darken over time, not go lighter like walnut naturally does?
How much sunlight exposure will it?
Zero direct sunlight, but I'm just thinking for my space, I like the lighter, and it won't have any direct sunlight, so it's not gonna go.
One of the nice things about the split and why we designed this table was we were getting so many requests for very large, like wide and long tables, and anything over a 42 inch by 108 is kind of like the max as a solid panel that we like to do.
So I'm gonna make you do a 44.
Well, that's okay in a split.
Oh, okay. Oh, right, of course.
Because you only have a
Solid,
22-inch panel then, right?
Okay. After a great day of sourcing furniture, next episode we'll be back on site. See you there.